No braider, no problem. I got you. You see it. Welcome back. So I have a braided wig from Braids Queen hair. I'm excited to try this one out to see how that blends. So yeah, so you can see it's got that, that 1B30 look. A lot of lace space, so this should lay really flat. I'm excited. It's got an elastic band, so you can do it glueless. I would consider this beginner friendly because you don't really have to style much with this. Like, I'm gonna lay this for free spray, and it's not gonna be that hard. Hopefully, I'm speaking before we finish. Okay, much better. So I like this unit. I just think this is so cute. I will definitely be rocking this over the summer. This might be the new living room look. I don't know, y'all. I would definitely probably I would have braided my hair down like super flat, because it's a braided wig, so you want it to look as flat as you possibly can because it's supposed to look like it's attached to your scalp. I would definitely say this is beginner friendly because this was not hard to install at all. I literally, it was as easy as installing like a synthetic lace part wig. It's a very full unit. They didn't skip out on you in the back. Sometimes they be doing it weird inside the cap of the wig, but no, they didn't make it a whole bunch of thick braids. Like, you got full braidage in the back. Let's see what it looks like if you take this out. Uh-oh, I might have did something. Okay, versatility. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.